Hi, I'm
Okay.
Casey Miller from the Door County Community Foundation, and today I'm chatting with Christine Andersen from the Washington Island Community Health Program, also known as WICHP for short. Christine, thanks for joining me, first of all. And secondly, can you tell us a little bit about what WICHP does on a regular basis for the island?
Be happy to, Casey. WICHP's usual routine is we work with residents on Washington Island to keep them in their homes safely and independently. We do that through a variety of connecting to services and providing some support services ourselves. So we do a lot of interconnecting to county resources and service providers.
Excellent. And how has the health crisis affected what you've been doing?
So how it has affected what we've been doing is it's changed kind of our work methodology a bit. Normally when we have people we want to meet with, we'll go out in their homes or we'll have them come into the office and we'll meet with them, go over services, answer questions, that kind of thing. We have kind of put that temporarily on hold due to the COVID-19 restrictions of the social distancing. And we have a lot of people returning that are self-quarantining who are gone for the winter. So a lot of unknown statuses out there. So we have kind of adopted going more towards telephone, doing a lot of stuff over the telephone, setting up appointments that way and providing those services like by the phone or by email and internet, contact. So we maintain that social distance.
Okay. And for those who might not know but are interested in obtaining some of your services, how can they contact you?
They can reach us. We are pretty much been in the office every day, and if not, we're checking voicemail remotely. So they can reach us at our office, which is 920-847-2108, or by email, which is wichp77, WICHP as in Paul, 77 @gmail.com. They can also look up some of the other services that we provide along with updated COVID information on our newly launched website, which is mywichp.org, which is mywichp.org.
Okay, great.
That was one of the things we got up and going right after COVID started. We felt we needed to really get public information out there.
Perfect, perfect. And WICHP recently received a grant from the Door County Emergency Response Fund. How are you using those grant dollars?
So we did receive funds from the Door County Community Foundation Emergency Fund along with United Way. We thank you for those dollars. We've had to put in a lot of additional time to get educational informations out there. We have done what we call 2 box holders. It's basically kind of an announcement of community information. We've worked with the Washington Island Observer on getting those sent out to every person who has like a box holder, hence the name. And that's been 440. We've distributed 2 of those out there. One of those also contained updates on our food pantry program with income eligibility changing due to people's unemployment due to COVID. So that information has been included in that. Myself and I have an office manager who works 15 hours a week. We have both had to put in a lot of additional time to get this information out, in addition to fielding a ton of questions. And in addition to that, we were working with the Door County Emergency Support Coalition in Sister Bay to get volunteers up and running on Washington Island to run errands for our residents, which is primarily over the age of 50, and we want those residents, especially those with health conditions, to be staying at home and letting the volunteers help. So we've been doing a lot of coordinative efforts with the coalition in Sister Bay as well.
Well, Christine, we really appreciate all the hard work that you've been doing, not only these past couple weeks, but all year round. So thank you for everything you do for our community.
You're very welcome, Casey. We're happy to do it. We love being here. We love helping the residents, and we're here if you need us.
Great. Great. And for those of you watching, if you'd like to learn more about the Door County Emergency Response Fund, if you'd like to either make a gift or find out if you're eligible for a grant, you can visit responddoorcounty.org.